You wake up every morning and like most people, the first thing you probably reach for is your cup of coffee or tea. It's a comforting habit, something that feels like it helps you start the day, but there's something even more powerful. You can give your body first thing in the morning, something that wakes up. Your metabolism helps melt stubborn fat and gives you steady energy all day long. This isn't a diet trick, a social media trend, or a miracle pill. It's a simple science-backed morning drink that works in harmony with your body's natural fat-burning rhythm. And the best part, the ingredients are already sitting right in your kitchen. Every time you wake up, your body moves from a resting fasting state to an active one. Overnight, your insulin levels drop, your growth hormone rises, and your body starts burning stored fat for energy. But the moment you eat or drink the wrong thing, this process stops cold. Most breakfast, toast, cereal, or fruit juice use a quick insulin spike. That single spike tells your body to store fat instead of burning it. That's why so many people, especially those over 60, struggle to lose weight even when they eat less. Their metabolism simply doesn't get the right signal in the morning. But when you start your day with the right drink, that switch flips in the other direction. Your body keeps burning fat, your blood sugar stays stable, and your brain gets clean, lasting energy for hours. This isn't about dieting or cutting out everything you love. It's about giving your body the signal it's been waiting for, the one that tells it to work with you, not against you. To understand how this works, we need to look at one of the most important organs for fat burning, the liver. Think of your liver as the control tower for metabolism. It decides whether to store fat or burn it. Every bit of fat you lose passes through your liver first. But as we age, years of sugar, processed food, alcohol, all and even medication can slow it down. When your liver gets congested, fat loss almost stops no matter how much you exercise. This is where the morning drink works. It's magic. It gently supports your liver, flushing out toxins and improving bile flow, that natural fluid your body uses to digest fats. When bile flows properly, your liver can finally do its job, breaking down stored fat and using it for energy instead of letting it settle around your belly or organs. This simple process can transform the way your body handles fat every single day. Now, some people start their mornings with sugary smoothies or detox juices. Sadly, those do the exact opposite of what your body needs. They cause sharp insulin spikes, crash your energy, and leave you hungry an hour later. The right morning drink keeps your blood sugar flat and your energy steady. One of the most effective ingredients for this is apple cider vinegar, but only when it's used correctly. Studies show that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, helping your body use fat as fuel instead of storing it. But it needs to be diluted properly. Too much or taken straight on an empty stomach can irritate your stomach or harm tooth enamel. That's why balance and timing are key. When you combine apple cider vinegar with the right companion ingredients, it becomes a powerful metabolic booster. And one of those companions is lemon. Lemon supports your liver's natural detox process, while the vinegar helps regulate insulin. Together, they create the perfect environment for your body to burn fat more efficiently even while you rest. The natural acids in both lemon and vinegar also help your pancreas and liver release digestive enzymes that reset your metabolism. And when you add one more simple kitchen ingredient, this combination becomes even stronger. Before adding that ingredient, though, hydration needs to be right. Dehydration slows every chemical reaction in your body, including fat burning. That's why many people, especially seniors, wake up tired or sluggish. The foundation of this fat burning drink must be warm water. Not hot, not cold, just comfortably warm. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach also signals your intestines to start working, clearing out waste, reducing bloating, and helping your body release toxins. That slow metabolism, this step alone can make you feel lighter and more energized. Next comes an often overlooked mineral, potassium. Most people don't realize how important potassium is for metabolism. It helps balance sodium, regulate fluids, and activate fat-burning enzymes inside your cells. Low potassium levels can make you feel drained, foggy, or bloated. That's why adding a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt to your drink is so helpful. It restores electrolyte balance, support as your adrenal glands, and keeps your energy steady all morning long. So far, we have warm water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of pink salt. Together, they wake up your metabolism, support your liver and pancreas, and hydrate your body deeply. But the real fat-burning trigger comes from the next edition, healthy fat. This might sound strange, but healthy fat in the morning actually helps your body burn fat throughout the day. Adding a teaspoon of pure extra virgin olive oil or MCT oil to your drink tells your body that energy is available. It relaxes your system, lowers stress hormones, and encourages your body to start using stored fat for energy instead of holding onto it. When your body starts producing ketones, clean fuel made from fat, you'll notice sharper focus, better mood, and fewer cravings. This is especially helpful for people over 60, since blood sugar often fluctuates more. With age, a steady stream of healthy fat helps balance that. Surely, timing also matters. The best time to drink this fat-burning mix is within 30 minutes of waking up, before eating, drinking coffee, or taking any medication. Your body naturally produces more cortisol in the morning, which helps release stored fat. Drinking this elixir during that window works in sync with your body's natural rhythm, giving you a stronger fat-burning push. If you take medications for blood pressure or diabetes, it's safest to wait about 30 to 45 minutes after drinking before taking them to avoid any interference with absorption. And if you have acid reflux or sensitive stomach, start with half the vinegar and build up gradually. Use correctly this morning. Drink helps your gut microbiome thrive, feeding the good bacteria that lower inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support digestion. You notice smoother digestion, less bloating, and a lighter feeling around your midsection. Now, there's another ingredient that makes this drink even more powerful. Cinnamon, specifically Ceylon cinnamon. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and improve insulin sensitivity. Even a small pinch can reduce fasting blood sugar by around 10 EO. It also boosts thermogenesis, that gentle warming process that helps your body burn more calories. When you add cinnamon, it enhances flavor and increases the fat burning effect, especially for seniors whose metabolism tends to slow down with age. It's like giving your metabolism a cozy nudge to start the day strong. And to take it one step further, there's an optional ingredient that turns this drink into a true rejuvenation tonic: ginger. Ginger boosts digestion, improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps your body generate gentle heat for calorie burning. It also eases stiffness in the joints and supports immunity. Together, all these ingredients form a powerful, natural combination that helps your body burn fat, balance hormones, and improve energy from the inside out. Here's how to make it. Warm up 1 cup of filtered water, not boiling, just comfortably warm. Pour it into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of MCT or extra virgin olive oil. Stir it well. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of freshly grated or powdered ginger. Stir again until Everything blends smoothly. Drink it, slowly and mindfully, letting your body feel the warmth spreading from the inside out. This gentle warmth is your metabolism waking up. Within minutes, your digestion starts moving, your energy rises, and your focus sharpens. Do this every morning for 2 weeks. You'll start noticing your midsection feels lighter, your cravings fade, and your energy stays steady throughout the day. Combine this with regular hydration and short daily walks, and your results multiply. Your body becomes more responsive, your F at storage decreases, and your energy feels stable and calm. This isn't a quick fix, it's a small daily choice that brings long-term balance back to your body. To make it even more effective, give yourself a 30-45 minute fasting window after drinking it before eating breakfast. This lets your body continue using stored fat for energy and deepens your metabolic activation. It's like teaching your body to rely on fat again, not sugar. And if you want to boost it even further, focus on your breathing. Take 5 deep, slow breaths after drinking. Inhale through your nose, hold briefly, and exhale through your mouth. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow, activates detox pathways, and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Oxygen is the key that helps your cells turn fat into clean energy. Once your body gets used to this rhythm, you'll start your days with more focus, lighter energy, and a calmer mind. Pair this drink with a nourishing breakfast like eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt, and you'll maintain that fat burning state for hours. But remember, this drink works best when you support it with healthy habits. Avoid processed carbs, sugary snacks, and late night meals. Try to finish dinner at least 3 hours before bed, giving your liver time to rest and detoxify. Over time, your mornings will feel completely different, lighter, clearer, and more energetic. This simple drink helps your body return to its natural rhythm where digestion, hormones, and metabolism work together in harmony. Every ingredient plays a role. Apple cider vinegar improves insulin response. Lemon refreshes the liver. Olive or MCT oil supports brain energy and fat metabolism. Ginger reduces inflammation. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar. Himalayan salt restores hydration and minerals. Together, they gently reset your entire system. It's like giving your body a soft reset button every morning. 1. That brings balance, energy, and calm. Over the days, you'll notice smoother digestion, glowing skin, and fewer cravings. These are signs that your body is healing from within. The beauty of this ritual is how simple it is. No expensive supplements, no strict diets, just consistency and care. Your body knows how to heal. You just have to give it the right start every morning. So, tomorrow before reaching for your coffee, take a moment to mix this drink. Sip it slowly, feel it nourish you. Breathe deeply, let your body remember what balance feels like. This small act, repeated each morning, can completely change how your body feels and functions. It's not about age. It's about giving your body what it truly needs to thrive. Your mornings set the tone for your day, and your day shapes your health, your strength. It's about reminding yourself that it's never too late to start feeling better. Health begins with one small decision.